So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we're gonna talk about the high airdrop which I have given many days back, I think so 10 days ago. So now I'm making a video because I am somewhat weak, as you can listen my voice here. So first what you should do, so let's get into the video. So please subscribe to my channel, please help me. So okay guys, let's get into the video. So guys, I will give you the Telegram channel link in the description box below and the airdrop post link also. So now what you should do is go to the post link. So okay, go to the post link, and as you can see the post link here. So now what you should do is, so just like this, the post will be like this. So now what you should do is, I will give you a link here, right? Click here. So what you should do is click on the link directly. So first click on the link here which I had given there and the Telegram post. So first click on the link. Okay guys, first click on the, so guys, after clicking on the link you will get an interface like this guys. So this is the interface which you will get after clicking on the link which I had given in the Telegram channel. So first what you should do is, you can read all the by scrolling down, but now the video will be lengthy, so now I'm not giving, but you can read. So now what you should do, so after that what you should do is go to the here. So now you should click here Telegram link. So you should click on the Telegram, you should click on the Telegram button. So after clicking on the Telegram button you will get an interface like this. So now what you should do is click on the Telegram. Okay guys, so now as you can see here, the partners are here, all Netflix, the merchants are so many guys. This project is huge and this is a massive guys. So now what you should do is click on the Telegram button. So some members will get it directly, some members will not keep it default, right? So now you should click on the Telegram. So after clicking on that you will be redirected to your Telegram, So after that what you should do is, so after that you will get an option like this. So now you should click on the start button guys. Now you should click on the start button. As you can see here on the screen, here it is start button. So now you should click on the start button. So after clicking on the start button you will get an interface like this guys. So after that what you should do is choose the language which you want. So I like the English, so I selected the English language. So you can choose many as here, as you can see here. I don't know what are those, but choose English for better. So now I will click on the English. So after that click on the English guys. So I am clicking on that. So after that you will get an interface like this guys. So now what you should do, is, so after that what you should do is, as you can see here, click here to share phone number. So now what you should do is click here to share phone number. So after that you will get an interface like this. So now you should click on the share contact. So click on the share contact and your process will be done, and you will get an and it will ask some username. Choose an username. So you should choose like unique some. So if your name is Arub, so choose like Arub14 something. So if your name is Suhas, keep it like Suhas90 something. So after that send that. So after that you will get an interface like this. So after that what you should do is, you should click on the claim daily reward. So you should click on the claim daily reward. So after that you will get 2.5 high dollars guys. Every day you can claim 2.5 high dollars. So this is constant for all, everybody, not only you, all, everybody can climb this guys. So now you will get an interface like this. So after that get 2.5 high dollars. So now it will ask some general questions, so answer anything will be no problem. So this is Android, I'm using Android, so I'm clicking on the Android. So after that you will get an, so after that your process will be done guys. You are almost done. Now what we should do, so every day guys I am reminding in the Telegram channel every day to climb. So guys, climb your daily reward. So you can follow our Telegram channel, so you should do. So after that what you should do is, I will give one more link in the Telegram post. So as you can see here, web.hi.com. So this is the another one more link which you should do. So after all these process, what you should do is directly go to this link and directly go to the web.hi.com. So after that, enter the same phone number. So what you should do is, guys, as you can see here, you shared a contact, right? So the Telegram will had a contact. So directly enter the Telegram contact number here. So after going to the link, what you should do is enter your phone number which is connected to your same Telegram phone number. So after that, go back to your Telegram bot and you will get the code. As you can see here, the code had came. So after that, enter the code and you will get all. So now what you should do is, you can, that is the process for checking your balance, but you can also check here, but that is the process. So this is the whole process which you should do, guys. This is the whole process which you should do to complete the high airdrop. So this is the airdrop, guys. You can earn daily $100, I think so, not daily, per month you can earn $100. So this is the process, guys. As you can see here, the post, so you can get the post directly, you can understand the from the post only, but I'm making a video for you, for who can't understand, they can see this. So I don't want anything, guys, just helping to you, that's all. So helping to you is enough for me. So that's it, guys. So see you all in the next video. Please like this video because it will be motivation for me. Please share this video to reach more members. So please like it, guys. Please share and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I am not asking a single money, guys, single rupee, single dollar. So now it's up to you, guys. So I'm giving free earning, but I'm not taking a single dollar, guys. So now that's it, guys. It is up to you. Take care. So bye bye, guys. Take care, all of you. Don't go outside because the COVID is full bleaching, so that is going to hell. So now what you should do is, please stay safe and earn money from our channel. Okay, guys, so take care. Bye bye.